Todoric, and today I'm going to give you a classroom tour. Let's go. All right, so we're going to start out in the hallway because it is first period, and I don't teach first period, which is nice. This is our hallway, and then we come in. I want to be quiet because teachers are teaching. So like I said, it is first period. I don't have a class first period, so I'm recording this. It's about close to 8:30 a.m. So when you first walk in, this is our updated Cricut. So we made this whole section a Cricut design section where you'll see student work. And then thank you, Donors Choose. We have a wonderful, lovely looking lady, our new mannequin. So this is from No Mercy, this design. And then we have, they didn't design the mini skirt or scarf yet, but they will. Fashionable, love it. So she's wearing an Ola face mask and a neck warmer. All these designs are done on the Cricut machine. And then here we have some student exams. Notice how they got points taken off. Over there, some, I don't think we have. A lot of the student, like the exams, they get to keep, so I don't really have too many samples. We have this one, he didn't take this yet, but he did a very nice job on that jersey. And then we have a scarf. This was a group. Where's the love? And then Loyal to the Bag, that's an old design. So there we pulled out one other Cricut, 2 Cricut machines. I think last time we had 1. So now we have a total of 3 machines. My office is still there. I put some posters up on my door. I kind of decorated it. I got my gamer chair here. And then I put some the student work we took down. And then I moved the display case. All right, so we moved that big billboard. We got a bunch of new posters. So that's one. I went to the Crocs outlet, and then took a picture of the collab with McDonald's. Then we have Jaspreet. Shout out to Jaspreet, one of my favorite YouTubers now. Constantly watches YouTube channel. Robert Kiyosaki, we play that cash flow. You'll notice the game on my desk because today is Wednesday and we played that game. So here are some other new posters. DVF, Snoop Dogg with Skechers. Those are old posters. You're familiar with our class website. So if you are a member on our YouTube channel, visit this website. I'm going to scroll down and join the mailing list. And you will see if you are, depending on your membership status and which level, I will be mailing you a gift. So it's probably going to be like a TCC 21 t-shirt for certain, or it could be like a Supreme lanyard. So don't forget to join the mailing list. There's our Cricut cart. So we have one project, Crazy Star. They're in the works. Some students are still working on the exam. Some learning targets. We have the posters, the TESTOUT Office Pro certification, all those programs. The new PBIS store, we'll launch that in January, so that is going to be coming soon. We have our lovely business class library, kind of the same. We just got some community service books to add to the library. Vogue, I'm subscribed to like Vogue, Entrepreneur, Forbes. Those are like the 3 main. So you'll see some new, and Sports Illustrated. Oh, and Essence as well, and Sports Illustrated. So you'll see magazines coming. This wall, I don't think you've seen this wall. So I added one entrepreneur, 1 star from last year. So I threw that up there. And then we still have the Chin Chins, Tristy's Treats. There's my TCC 21 logo, a student that does hair. And then over here, we have the same big business wall. I want to show you, our fake pet. There's our grasshopper. Hey, you. He's chilling. All right, and then we have, this is our apple tree. So I repotted the apple tree. He's growing nice and strong, nice and tall. Look how big. So I can't even imagine. This used to be a little tiny seed. The other seedlings, they aren't growing. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but at least we have one. So we have one apple tree we're going to take very good care of. And if you watch the previous videos, you'll see how tiny it was before. So it's kind of cool. So that's the apple tree. We have, let's see, we got a couple new bags, I'm thinking. Someone brought in a Lululemon bag, so that's Lululemon right there. Balenciaga, we had a student bring in that. Everything else I think is the same. Oh, we have that Bed Bath and Body Works, the red one on top. That's a new one. Apple, that's a new one to the wall. I'm trying to think of the new additions. Everything else is pretty much prime, fairly new. So these are student bags. The Mario, another student, I like that bag. The Nintendo. That was kind of old, but it's a cool bag. I just like talking about it. And Ashley's Sweet Treats. We had a double. Another student brought another one. And look how cute this Dunkin'. I brought this one in. I got one donut. I ordered one donut recently, and they packaged it up in this little cute bag. I was like, that's cool. Shout out to Dunkin' Donuts. Very, very cool. Panera Bread, the cup, I think that's not so new, but you'll see everything else is pretty much the same over here. So that's the classroom. On this area, we have our Aero Garden. These are our apple seeds. Not growing, not yet, so we'll see what's going on with that. We had our classroom pet. I don't know if you remember our new channel. Unfortunately, rest in peace, we had one of them pass over the weekend, so the other two, we found a good home. The students caring for the other two crabs, hermit crabs. We'll see if he opens up a new, like a YouTube channel or anything. So right now, that new channel I opened up is kind of, that's it. I don't know what to do. We might do like a Cricut or, I don't know, cash flow. We're going to figure something out to do a new channel. We haven't decided yet, but we're definitely going to open up a brand new YouTube channel. Maybe even an entrepreneurship. All the businesses we have going on, that could possibly be an idea. There's our class rules. And then over here we have our lovely gumball machine. And notice on the right we added runts. So if you do put a quarter in there, you'll get a ton of runs. Not like the Skittles setting. The Skittles, you'll probably get like 10 of them or so. Whereas the runs, you'll probably get a whole handful of like 20. All right. And then everything else is pretty much the same. That's it. That's our clock. 8:45 is my next period, so I'm gonna get ready. But that's the grand tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Here's one homework bag. I gotta put that up on the wall. Macy's. I don't think we have Macy's. I don't recall Macy's. So that's a new bag for us. So at this point, I'm asking students to bring new bags. Oh, and look at our wonderful courtyard. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then we moved the Where Open sign. That's also kind of new. Oh, and then I added these two boxes where I collect passes, and then here's an area for just like markers, pens, pencils, scissors, stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. Oh, the community service books. These are a bunch of new books we received. I think that's it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I do have to fix, like, the tape is falling off on these. Notice that doesn't look too good, but it's all right. It's getting there. So every month we kind of have changes to whether it's posters. A lot of these posters you can purchase on our website, thecoolclassroom.com. I haven't posted any Cricut designs. I might have my own t-shirt coming out soon. I'm thinking like that. I haven't come up with maybe 100. I'm thinking a red 100. What do you guys think? On the front, and then maybe that logo on the back. I haven't designed it yet, but I think I'm going to do something like that. Maybe just do like a red 100, like always 100. That's what I tend to say a lot. So that's pretty much it. Any ideas? Post in the comments. Tell me what you think. We are always changing, updating. You know, we get tired of seeing the same thing, so we like to switch it up. And that's it. Hope you liked the video, and we'll see you next month. Thanks for watching. Bye.